Hey guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel where in today's video we're going to be doing another first impressions. This one has got me very excited because it's basically just a whole load of highlighters. It's basically me testing out highlighters for the next quarter of an hour. So buckle your seatbelts because it's going to be a good one. So as you can probably see by the 87 logos on this box, today I'm going to be trying out the new Glow collection from MUA. I'm really excited about this. So in today's video, I have actually teamed up with MUA, which is very exciting for me because if you guys have been around here for a while, you'll know that MUA was pretty much the first ever makeup brand I properly got into. And yeah, basically they went and brought out this brand new Glow collection. And I mean, you know I like to glow, so they came to the right place. So in this box, we've got everything from a shimmer spray. We've got these highlighting palettes, which I am probably the most excited for. They look really good. We've got a bronzer. We've got 3 different liquid highlighters. I gotta say, this guy here is just calling my name. I've got 3 different lip glosses in different shades and also different formulas, I think. So we've got Aurora Shine, a plumping lip gloss, and we've also got the honeyed gloss as well, which looks so stunning. I've also got 3 different shades of their roll-on shimmers. So these are just for your face and body. I think I'm gonna be using them on my eyeballs. And then I've also got one of their satin lipsticks. This one here is in the shade Hot Coral. I actually haven't worn a coral lipstick in probably years, so I'm kind of curious about how this will look. So MUA actually got in touch with me, obviously to try out some of their new products, but also to start up the conversation of what a glow up means to you guys. So kind of getting rid of the physical idea of a glow up, although I do love a glow up, but more so ways that you've actually bettered yourself or reached different goals. Even if, I don't know, you've maybe just learned to love yourself a little bit more this year, because I mean, obviously we're pretty much halfway through the year already, which is terrifying, but it is good to look back on what we've achieved so far this year and just seeing how much you've grown and glown. No. So MUA have actually asked me to talk about my own little glow up. I always cringe when I talk about myself like this. I don't know. I guess I feel very happy. I'm going to get emotional. Not again. Not again, Steph. Suck 'em in. Yeah, I don't know. I feel a lot has happened over the past few months. Obviously, Ollie and I now work together, which was a massive dream for me. So that's crazy that kind of happened at the start of the year. We've got our new house, which I'm literally moving into tomorrow. I'll probably be in by the time you guys see this video. But yeah, I actually move in tomorrow. There's boxes all around me right now. I don't know. I feel I've just kind of come into my own a little bit more. I feel a lot more at peace with who I am. Every awkward bit of it. And then MUA have also asked me to tag someone who I think has had their own little personal glow up and to talk about it. And I know he's gonna hear it now because he's right upstairs. But Ollie, if you don't follow Ollie, he doesn't have YouTube, but I'll put him on screen now for his Instagram or whatever. Ollie smashed loads of his own little personal goals throughout this whole year. Some of them are a little bit more personal to him, so I won't go into them. But yeah, he's had loads of these goals and he's just ticking them off I don't know, it's no one's business. And yeah, I don't know. I've just got a good feeling about this year. I know we're already halfway into it, but I think I've got a good feeling about it for him and also for me as well. Fingers crossed. So yeah, that's my kind of glow up. Let me know what your guys is in the comment section down below. I want to know. Tell me. Let's talk. Because I mean, I feel we're all always the first person to put ourselves down and we compliment other people. We never compliment ourselves. So chuck a little compliment about yourself. Chuck your own little glow up, your own little compliment. Just say something nice about yourself in the comments. Yeah, let's do that. So the Glow range is now available in Superdrug. It is cruelty-free and vegan. And I think we need to put it on my face. So let's do it. All right, so as you can see, I am fully beiged out, so we need to add some color to my face. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with the Glow bronzer. This one is in the shade Golden Dunes. So as you can see, you've got this nice little swirly design and there's loads of different gradients of color. So you've got cool, warm, light, dark. All of the shades appear to be matte. Yes. So like I said, I've already got a little bit of contour on just because I did want to use this as just a bronzer. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of mix in these shades here, just mostly these 3 shades here. Tap off the brush. I'm going to use that to warm up my cheeks a touch. Oh, that looks quite nice. I was expecting it to be super intense and I was a little bit worried about it. That's why I kind of hesitated with my brush at first. But that's actually really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the difference there, but obviously that has kind of just warmed up my cheek a touch there and kind of lifted it a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. That has just kind of warmed me up, but not in an unnatural way. It is literally just a sun-kissed kind of way because there is a little bit of warmth to it, but not like an orange or a red. It just looks like, I don't know, just like I caught the sun a little bit. So now I'm really excited about this. I have the liquid highlighter. So I have 3 different shades. We've got like a slightly darker one, which is in the shade Spectacle. We've then got like a champagne tone, which it just makes me feel some sort of way. And this one here is in the shade Marvel. And I've got a slightly lighter one, which I'm actually quite happy about because it doesn't look overly pinky. It's kind of like a champagne-y pink. So I feel like I can get away with a lot of these colors depending on how tanned I am. Look. But this one here is in the shade Wonder. So I think I'm going to mostly take a little mixture of both of these, but I'll do a swatch of all 3. Okay, so we'll just do a slightly darker one there. So you can see. I'll then do the shade Marvel, which is the one that I'm like really, really hoping is light enough for me. Oh my God, I think it is. Because this looks like right up my street, right up my pathway, right in my front door. And then again, I'll just do another little swatch of Marvel, I think it was next to it. So just a little plop. Love a little plop swatch. There you go. You can kind of see like the gradient there. So this is the lightest one. You've then got the medium one there and the deeper one there. So obviously I did already say that I had powder down. The only thing I didn't powder was literally this cheekbone here. And if you guys can see like a little bit of a sheen there. So I'm going to be trying these out both on like wet skin and then also on powdered skin as well. I think I'm going to try and see what we can do with this one, the medium one. I feel like it's maybe a touch too dark for me. But I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm just going to start by popping a little bit of that on the powder side of my face. And then I'm just going to lightly pat that in with my buffing brush. Oh, hello. It's me. That has like fully lifted the face. I was expecting it to be more of like a super metallic one, but I actually really like that. That's a little bit different. It almost has like a slightly oily consistency, so it's very, very easy to blend in. And yeah, it's just like, hasn't left any sheen, any metallicness on my cheeks, just like blended perfectly into the skin and just giving me a really nice glow. I bet like a powder highlighter on top of that would just look nuts. So then I'm going to go in with like the same amount and just do, I think it was like 5 dots that I did here, wasn't it? And then again, just tap that in. So this is on like the unpowdered side. And you can see it's a little bit more intense when it's unpowdered, which means that's like the usual case anyway. But both sides do look really nice. They both look the same in terms of like texture on the skin. So it doesn't really seem to make much of a difference if you use it over the top of powder versus just like straight over foundation. The only slight difference is the one side that isn't powdered down does look a touch more blinding. But yeah, that was really easy to blend in. So I'm going to go ahead and do my usual. Oh, it's in my hair. It's in my hair. Okay. I like highlighter, but I don't want it in my hair. Actually curious to see how long this takes to like dry down. I might have fully screwed myself over then because if this dries down quickly, I'm going to look insane. But we'll see. I feel like in theory it should be okay because it is more of like an oily texture, which does blend out a lot more nicely. Yeah, sick. It does seem like you do have a little bit of time to kind of like play around with it. So now I'm just going to go in with the lighter color just because I want to just try it. And I'm going to pop some of that on my shoulder. And by some, I mean like 3/8 of the bottle. Yeah, boy. Oh, mate, that literally looks like someone's come along and just airbrush my shoulder. Just tss. Next, we're going to try out these palettes, which I am dying to just put, like, just literally go all over my face. So we've got they're both called the highlighting kits. They have 3 different shades in both. One is called Golden Delights, this guy here, and this one is called Golden Kisses. They both look like they'll work for me, to be honest. So I fully lucked out with that. I'm kind of really feeling this shade up here, though. This is from the Golden Delights palette. Like, this shade up here is just doing something for me. And by the way, can we talk about MUA's packaging right now? Like, I feel like while we're on the topic of, like, a glow-up, MUA's products, they've had their own little glow-up. All right, let's give these guys a swatch. Hey, baby. Okay, I mean, I always remembered MUA's highlighters to be good. Like, they were pretty much like my gateway drug into highlighters, to be honest, because I remember I tried a few before I actually tried out the MUA ones. And then I tried out these MUA ones thinking, I don't really know this brand. Like, I'll give them a go. I think they were like a few pounds or something. And the highlighters were insane. And now I have pretty much like every single one of them. So yeah, I had high hopes, but this, like the formula of this is kind of like, I don't even understand. It's like super buttery. Like what? Let me do another swatch of that first one. Like what the hell? All right, I was excited, but now I'm like really excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my highlighting brush. Prepare yourself. I know you guys love it when I prepare myself for the highlighter. Give it one tap and let's see what you got, boy. I don't understand, quite frankly. In fact, how much is this thing? Okay, so I just looked and apparently everything is under £5. I couldn't find an actual price for this because at the moment I'm filming this. This isn't out yet. But yeah, everything is under £5 for this highlighter. And not just this highlighter, for 3. I don't understand. All right, let's do some shoulder action. That's what you were waiting for, wasn't it? That's what you were waiting for. Don't adjust your screens, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't some weird CGI. Don't know how to do that. That is mad. MUA, good job. Good job on that one. So now... you know what? Now I'm actually going to go ahead and try out the shimmery ball things. What are you called? Roll-on Shimmer. Face and body. This one is in the shade Desert Shimmer. I literally don't think I've used any kind of like rollable makeup product since I was like 9 years old, to be quite honest. But I'm actually really excited for this. Let me just try out the colour. I was thinking it was going to be really subtle, but then like, let me just do this here. I even thought it was like a liquid when it first went on. I think it's maybe too dark for me to use as a highlighter, but I mean, if you're a little bit deeper than me, you so easily could. Now, I'm not going to lie, I really don't know how I'm going to use this. Should I just like try it on my eyes? Just literally just like roll it onto my eyes. There's a wrapper on my mirror. Okay. I'm nervous. I'm nervous about like fallout. Okay, well that was fine. Obviously it needs to be blended out, but there wasn't any fallout or anything. I'm just going to take this brush. I thought that was going to be a bit of a disaster, to be quite honest, but that's actually worked out quite well. There's one little tiny piece of shimmer that's kind of fallen off onto my cheek. There we go, gone now. I'm going to try it by like just taking some straight from the little rollerball thing onto the brush. Yeah, that works well as well. And that colour is stunning as well. I bet this with like a tacky base would just be like mental. Definitely too dark for me to use as a highlighter, which breaking my heart here, but I actually really like this. I was really nervous about this, to be honest. I was worried this was going to be the product that I was going to have to be like, ooh, sorry, MUA, but I don't like it. But I actually do. It's different for me. Like, obviously, it's not like my usual just kind of like pan of eyeshadow or my palette or whatever, but I like it. And I feel like this, again, here I go again. I feel like this would just work like on my body. So let me just have a little look. Yeah, that on the body as well. You can just see it like catching the light there. That looks really good. So yeah, this is like a little bit weird for me. Like I haven't used something like this in, like I said, years, but I'm kind of digging it, especially if you're like, I don't know, like going on holiday or something. You can just chuck it in your handbag. Don't need a highlighter. Don't need a body highlighter. Don't need an eyeshadow. But yeah, I think just popping this in like your holiday suitcase, I think you'll get a lot of use out of it. And oh my God, look at this color. I might actually have to try that out in a first impressions or something because this color looks nuts. So now I think it's time we tried out this guy. So this is the Glow Up Shimmer Spray. So it's got like pigment in the bottom. You just give it a shake. Does that little like fancy stuff. It says on the back, infused with the scent of tropical coconuts. Oh, hello. That literally just smells like a holiday. Okay, let's see. You guys know I get a little bit wary about these sometimes. Give it a minute, shy. There we go. Ooh, nice spritz. I'm going to do it on my arm first because I don't want a repeat of last time. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's pop it on the face. Okay, I definitely put far too much on my face then. Just going to press that in a little bit. Whoa, I put a lot on my face then, didn't I? I put a lot on my face because now I'm looking very glowy. I was expecting to look glowy. Like, it's kind of to be expected from this video. I literally look like I've done the full face of highlighter challenge. And I'm actually not hating it, to be honest. So I think next time I use this, I will just like focus on the sides of my face, just to kind of like hit the high point instead of going like just all over like I would with like a regular like clear setting spray. But yeah, I'm obsessed with whatever that spray has done to like the rest of the highlighter on my face. Like it literally does just look wet. So now I'm gonna quickly go ahead and go off camera, just add some mascara. I'm also gonna line my lips so we can try out this guy here. And then we're gonna try out the lipstick and then one of the gloss as well. Be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. So as you can see, I went ahead and filled in my lips. So now we're gonna go ahead and try out the Satin Lipstick in the shade Hot Coral. Anytime I say the word coral, I just think of The Walking Dead. And I just think, coral! Can't help it. Anytime I say it, I've just got that like in the back of my head. I actually never finished watching Walking Dead. So like I said, I haven't tried a coral lipstick in so long. Oh my God, this smells so good. Let's do a little swatch. I'm running out of room. Let's do like a little crab claw here. And I'll put that there. Whoa. That is bright. Let's try this out. Oh, hi. I love coral lipstick. I didn't know I did until literally right this second. But I think I love it. What do you guys think? I really like this color. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and try out one of these glosses. I don't really know which one to try out. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm going in with the honeyed. Let's give these a sniff. Ooh, it's like minty. I wonder if these are plumping as well then. So this is what it looks like here. Oh, it's actually really pretty. I was expecting it to be more shimmery. But that's really nice. So I'm probably going to make all of you cringe by doing this. And I'm going to cringe myself because I'm literally just going to put it straight on my lip. And I know it's going to pick up some of the lipstick. But I just want to do it, okay? So I'm just going to dot that on the center of my lip. And just make it like super glossy. I don't know who I am anymore. I didn't know I liked coral lips to start off with. Let alone glossy coral lips. Oh, yeah, and in regards to my previous observation about it smelling like peppermint and therefore potentially being another plumping gloss, can confirm it's tingling. Yeah, I am feeling this look. So guys, this is the finished look, and as I'm sure you've all already gathered, I'm just so obsessed with it. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this coral lip, because I feel like I'm going to have to be wearing a coral lip more often. Overall, I really liked everything. I'd probably say my favorite, my favorite is obviously this. It's obviously this. Like, I am just flat out obsessed with these, and I cannot wait to try this out. Like this one up here as well. So I think my top 3 things was a highlighting palette, liquid highlighter, and probably the gloss. Oh, I don't know, and the coral lip. These 2 come as one, okay? Boyfriend and girlfriend. So guys, as always, I will make sure to leave a link to everything that I featured in this video down below. Right down there. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up because that really does help me out a lot. And also subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. Also, don't forget, let me know your little glow up thing you like about yourself, whatever you want to call it. Just say something nice about yourself in the comments. It's nice to be nice. But yeah, apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.